Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Uh, I seem very tired. It's because I do feel very tired. And what happened was, since we don't have a sofa in our office yet, and after lunch I was feeling very sleepy. So usually I go to my car, like I start the car, I take a nap inside the car for 15-20 minutes. If I don't find a sofa, or maybe if I'm in between meetings. But this time I was feeling super lazy, so I just, yep, I took a nap on the floor, and yeah, you're guessing it right. I feel super tired. My back hurts, but anyways, that's not what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about something very exciting, which is my experience with learning Odoo, development in Odoo ERP. I'm focusing more on the CRM side because that's where I focus, marketing and technology kind of stuff. And the fun part in the development side is that I thought it's difficult, but it's not that difficult. You just need to have some concepts clear. And now I'm into creating modules. I created my first module myself. My team already have the experience to create modules before, but me focusing on the business side for so long, I thought let's give it a try. So I scaffolded a module. Scaffolding in Odoo means I'm not sure where this term started actually, but in Odoo it means to create a module using the standard way. Like there's a command, scaffolding command in Odoo, which you can, if you issue that command and the name of your module, it is going to create a standard module with all the files that you need, such as the manifest file, the files for the view, the files for the for the models and controllers. And while I'm making this video, I find it funny because my last video was very exciting and today I'm not that excited. It's not that I'm not excited, it's just that I'm tired today. It's the end of the day, and yeah, and it's been very hectic so far. So yeah, I'll try my best not to talk about my problems and focus on Odoo, because that's what I believe you came here for. And yeah, so what I learned new in the past couple of days is, so in the previous video you might have I might have told you that I have started scaffolding the views, and and the upcoming video series that I'm watching on packetpub.com. There's an amazing instructor with the name of let me check the name. I keep forgetting the name of that amazing person. Riste Kabronov. I think he's from Russia, or I'm not sure exactly, but he has an amazing course on Packed Pub, and I'm trying them out. It's a free trial for 30 days. I feel like I'm going to finish this course, and then I'm going to go with the advanced course, and it's a video series with the exercises. So right now what I'm on is how to inherit views. So the last time I think I mentioned this part, but this time I inherited the CRM module, which we call, which in Odoo is named with crm.lead. So I learned how you can actually add additional fields into an existing database using a module, okay, and then use that field inside inside an inherited view. So inside a view, if you just start the name of the view with class, the name of the module, and then you, on the next line, if you just write down inherit, and then the name of whatever view you're editing. So for example, If you want to, okay, let me pause these notifications. Sorry, okay, that's awkward. Yeah, it is. Okay, okay. So let's say that you want to add a button to a quotation, okay, which is called the sales order. If you want to do that, first of all, what you have to do is you have to find the technical name of this view. And what we mean by view is this screen. And once you find that technical name, it's very easy to find it out. What you have to do is you have to enable debug mode in Odoo, and I'm sure you will find out online how you can enable debug mode. It's the very first step if you are trying to develop in Odoo. Once you do that, you go to that screen, and then on the very right corner you're going to find out you'll see a bug. Okay, an icon of the bug is very obvious. You will be able to notice it. You click on that, and then you click on view view meta information, I believe so. Yes, let me confirm it, because my memory is not helping me that much nowadays. Okay, so I'm going to enable debug mode, developer mode. Okay, did I say debug mode before? If I said so, that was incorrect. Okay, developer mode, you have to activate the developer mode, and then you click on the bug icon. Yes, the bug icon, and then you click on edit form view if it's a view, or edit list view if it's a list. Okay, so if it's a form, then by default it will be a form, because if you want to open the list you have to click on the list. So it will be a form, and you click on edit form view, and there it is going to show you an external ID on the right side. In the next videos I'll try to upgrade my setup and will show you the screen, and you have to keep in mind that this is a log for my own self, because I want to reflect on whatever I'm learning. And but yeah, I'll try to be more sophisticated next time. So we have external ID, which will be sales.order something. Okay, so because the exercise, in my exercise, it was focusing on the sales order, the quotation one. So I'll get that external ID, and then in my code, in my module, I'm going to write inherit the name of the technical name, the technical ID of whatever view you want to edit. Once you do that, whatever field you add below, it will reflect on the screen. That screen that we are trying to edit. So in our example, it's a quotation form, and okay, great. Let me have another sip of coffee, zip or sip or whatever. Okay, what you can do a lot with this, like you can add additional buttons, you can remove a button, you can replace a button, you can add a field if you have created it in a model, you can replace a field, so you can do a bunch of stuff. All right, and one of the standard ways of doing it in Odoo is using XPath. And what is XPath? XPath is a way to find out the fields, the existing fields in your view, and then you can tell to XPath that, okay, add my field, the new field, after this field. Okay, so it's very easy. You just mentioned after. Okay, I keep saying easy, but I know it might not be easy if you're doing it like the first time. You really have to. Nothing is easy in life. Okay, we keep saying it, but yeah, you will get there, my friend, just like I did. And so yeah, you have to write after if you want to add a field after any field. If you want to replace, you just replace after with replace, and you're going to replace that field with whatever field you want to add. And if you want to remove a field, it goes the same way. You have to, likewise, you have to replace after or replace with remove. So I found XPath with very like pretty standard, like very straightforward. And I saw a bunch of examples in the forums online, and I experimented with them. I yet have to learn how I can do some advanced customizations on the buttons. Like I'm not able to. What I'm not able to do is to. You see some nice buttons in the very center where it's like a drop down. It's actually a drop down. Okay, if you click on it, it's going to open options. I'm trying to add another option there, and I'm not able to find any information online where like how I can do that. Maybe in this video series I will be able to find out. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. I spoke a lot, yeah, for 10 minutes. That's a lot, and I'm very optimistic for uh, for my development journey in Odoo, and I'm whatever I'm applying, I'm doing it for my company. Like we are a startup and we're using Odoo as a CRM, and we're very satisfied with it. Like I've been using Suit CRM, which was based on PHP. I have used HubSpot, which is very limiting. Like it's good for a lot of companies, but not for us, because since we have very customized requirements. And I've used Zoho as well. And now coming to Odoo, I feel that I felt in the start that okay, there's a lot to learn, and it might be difficult. I was very skeptical if I should use it, but now I see that there's a lot of potential. Like if once I once you keep exploring more and more and more, you can see that it brings a lot of value, a lot of automation inside your company, and of course you can use the same to provide like you can use the same to provide as a service to other clients. So yeah, so that's when I say I'm very optimistic. I am, and I hope that I will be an expert in Odoo one day, just like my other team members. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, please use the comment option below, and I would love to answer your questions. And if you want the link to the Packet Pub course that I'm doing, let me know, and I'm gonna share it with you guys in the comment section. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video for today, and looking forward to the next one very soon, inshallah. Thank you.